For months, there have been videos on the internet expressing concern about artificial food being manufactured and sold. Those concerns are now in Jamaica, as some residents in Manchester say they now realize that they have been cooking plastic rice. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
The internet videos depicting plastic rice are numerous, from manufacturing, warnings, to complaints. Well, now the complaints have reached home.
I saw it on Facebook and I never knew it was this serious. I never took it serious at all. Until this morning, my neighbor waked me up out of my bed to come and show us all of this.
Her neighbor says she went about preparing her Sunday dinner this morning, but found that the rice in her pot didn't feel like it usually does.
When I put the rice inside the pot and try to stir it, I notice it is sticking. After sticking, it just stuck onto the spatula and it started to stretch just like an elastic band.
She says the rice looks the same and does not have any odor to suggest it's not the rice she's used to. However, in addition to the stretchy texture, she was surprised that after cooking, some grains were soft while others were not.
It has indeed surprised me, and I am imploring to all consumers, be careful wherever you go and purchase your food item. Be careful, take note of when you're cooking carefully, because this rice seems to be mixed, so it is very hard to notice.
Tamar says she runs a food service for sick persons. They are now both concerned about the effect this may have on their families and patients.
When I cook this now and give my patient, them going dead. Because this is pure plastic and the government needs to investigate it now.
Herman Green, TVJ News.